Today on Adventures and Things, I get a little too close to somebody's ass.
Walking and talking, explore that sings. I'm Michael Wright, this Adventures and Things. Okay, so I'm up here at Erin Valley Riding Stable. This is going to be a quick little video. I came up here for my Adventures and Things, the movie, to do some horseback riding because it's to my understanding that horseback riding can be very therapeutic and it's very good for people like myself who have quit drinking and need to find adventures and things to keep off the booze. So they've been very kind and very awesome to let me come up here and film and everything like that. I will have a full video of this place that's going to go to TELUS Optic TV. But for right now, I'm going to show you kind of the stuff that they do. It's going to be a quick but fun adventure.
Erin Valley Stables not only does drop-in riding, which we will do in a minute, but they also have camps for children where they get to do horse stuff all day. And they also get to play with other cool animals like these guys. So when I had first come in here, I thought this is where the kids stayed for the camp, but I was informed that that's not the conditions. So don't let my ignorance fool you. I was told this camp was pretty intense. Were you watering the horse to help it grow?
She has some cuts on her leg. So
Oh, okay.
I kind of just, water kind of takes out any dirt.
Right.
And swelling.
So they don't get infected.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. And now it was my time to shine. Is it me or am I really nailing this?
Well, you might think you're driving me insane, but I made the game that you're trying to play.
And I'm gonna stop. Make sure there we go.
This ain't my first
Good boy, Magic.
rodeo.
Boy.
And it'll be a conversation
Yeah.
like that between you and him. Step away from that.
Some things you can't take back.
Oh, man.
Some things you just got to let go. Yes.
There you go.
Hey.
So keep pulling back.
Got Sammy on the phone.
There you go. Now put your hands. Yeah, wonderful. That was perfect.
Going on that ride was such an incredible thing to me. I don't know, it's just like the whole point of me doing this, all this stuff, is to like stay in the moment and kind of live your life in the now. And when you're on a horse, that's all you do. It's just you and the horse and nature, and it was an incredible feeling. Anyways, I hope you really enjoy this episode. I hope you come up to Erin Valley Riding Stables and go for a ride on one of their horses. Talk to Jim. He was an incredible guide. It was such a fun time. Anyways, if you like this, click the me likey button. If you haven't already, subscribe, and don't forget to get out for those adventures and things and stop horsing around.